Dentures are difficult to wear. Any regular denture wearer will tell you that they loosen up over time, they're hard to eat with, you can't taste your food well, and speaking is often difficult. So when it comes to removable things such as dentures or partials, we now have great permanent tooth replacements with the help of implants. We have the ability often to offer an all-on implant permanent restored procedure. Sometimes it can be done in one day, where a denture wearing patient might be able to come in and have 4 to 6 implants placed, go to sleep under sedation, wake up with permanent fixed implant restored teeth. Nothing comes in and out. They can taste their food again, they can talk again, and sometimes they can even use their current denture as part of that process. So if you have removable appliances such as dentures or partials that you're unhappy with and you prefer a permanent solution, something like an implant fixed restoration would be for you.